The International Star for Quality Award 2015 took place at the Intercontinental Convention Hall in Geneva, Switzerland. Delegations from 51 countries and award winners featured major players in top sectors from around the world. Leaders, entrepreneurs, managers, academic figures, and members of the diplomatic corps were present at the International BAD Quality Convention in Geneva. Recognition was expressed for quality achieved through management, teamwork, and attention to the communities where these organizations and companies operate. Outstanding award winners include
le groupe Petit Nid from Madagascar, Mrs. Sahoby Mampionona RAMAHAFALISOA, the CEO, and Mr. Herimandrato Rolamboninira, the Vice President. Le groupe Petit Nid from Madagascar is receiving tonight here in Geneva the International Star for Quality Award of BID Group 1 Business Initiative Directions. Receiving this award on stage tonight from the hands of the President of BID, this is Mrs. Sahoby Mampionona RAMAHAFALISOA, the CEO, and Mr. Herimandrato Rolamboninira, the Vice President. Mesdames et Messieurs, de Madagascar, le groupe Petit Nid, représenté par le PDG et le vice-président de l'entreprise, la PDG et le vice-président de l'entreprise. Félicitations au groupe Petit Nid de Madagascar qui reçoit ce soir le prix ISAQ à Genève en 2015. Félicitations.
The main themes of the seminar were the issues surrounding the talk to the parts and solve problems considered insolvable, and the theories of Dorian Scheinen, notable for the influence on the fields of marketing and innovation. We also approached the world of Lev Vygotsky and his theories about the zone of proximal development, and the thoughts of Kurt Lewin about organizational development, process management, change management, and group dynamics. International dignitaries made mention of how the CEOs and general directors and the heads of companies and organizations participating at the Geneva Quality Convention have deepened our knowledge of business practices while also spreading knowledge about important new technologies.
Carre Forwarding Group from Mexico. Carre Forwarding Group from Mexico, Mr. Luis Alberto Molina, the CEO. Carre Forwarding Group from Mexico. This company is receiving here tonight in Geneva the International Star for Quality Convention Award, of BID Group 1 Business Initiative Directions. Carre Forwarding Group from Mexico. Carre Forwarding Group de México, representada por señor Luis Alberto Molina, el presidente director general. Carre Forwarding Group de México recibe hoy en Ginebra el Trofeo International Star for Quality de BID, BID Group 1 Business Initiative Directions. Muchas felicidades. King Lim Garment Accessories, KLGA from Cambodia. King Lim Garments Accessories from Cambodia, KLGA, Mr. Chu Yin Hu, Director. company King Lim Garment Accessories from Cambodia is receiving tonight the International Star for Quality Award of Bid Group 1 Business Initiative Directions. On stage tonight to receive this award, this is Mr. Chu Yin Hu, Director for King Lim Garment Accessories, KLGA, from Cambodia. Congratulations to the Director. Present here on stage in Geneva to receive this prestigious award. King Lim Garment Accessories from Cambodia.